Here we are again, and it's been quite a while since I've made a video, pretty much since the whole pandemic has gone on around the world, and I've just not had time to do any of this. But here we are, and this is obviously a disc detainer pick. I've had to get one of these cheap Chinese ones because the new Sparrows one that was designed by Bosnian Bill and Lockpicking Lawyer, you just can't get them for love nor money. So buy a cheap one, buy a cheap lock. It gives me something to at least practice on, get some feel for it. Right. There we go. It's all locked up, and rotate all the discs, and let's see how long it actually takes this time. No, I'm not amazingly fast at this yet. I think I'd have that. There we go. Probably one of my quicker attempts at this. Really don't like these picks. They're obviously very cheap. There's far too much movement and slop, and obviously the tips aren't brilliant either. But to get the ball rolling, at least until I can get hold of one of the newer, better quality disc detainer picks, it'll have to do. Thank you very much.